Circuit of Americas is one heck of a racetrack because it's got just about everything. Tight hairpin bends, fast flowing turns, blind corners, 2 fast straights, one of which is mega fast. So come and join me for a lap around this incredible racetrack on the Aprilia RSV4 Superbike. Go then for a lap of COTA over the start finish line, flat out on the Aprilia RSV4. This bike is flying and super light. We jump hard on the brakes, back from 5th to 1st. My goodness, this bike is so light. Punch out the first corner, 2nd, 3rd, plunge downhill into a real fast right-hander, way over 120 mile an hour coming out of here, going back uphill into a series of real technical corners. One corner here into another right-hander, pick it over again into another left, into another right-hander. And all of those corners are real quite blind as well, so it's real difficult to see. This corner's long, it's got some bumps in it. Then we flicker left again into another left, before we go back over again into another right. As you can see, so many corners. You need a bike that's agile, and this bike is. Flicker again to the left there, then punch it out, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. We're running downhill here, then into the next corner. This is the 2nd hairpin of the lap, all the way back down to 1st gear. 1, it's important to get in, but it's 2, it's important to get out. We do it there, real hard on the gas. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th gear, flat out, get tucked in, get your knees in, get your elbows in, get your head down. Take that bike to as fast as it'll go. We're doing over 180 miles an hour here on the Aprilia before we jump hard on the brakes, back down into 1st gear for another hairpin. Just take a breath here for a second before we get hard on the gas. 2nd, 3rd. We're coming up to quite a technical here, series of 2 right-handers. There's one, then back out, and then back in for another corner here before we get hard on the gas into another tight corner. I'm just going to squeeze under another journalist there. He's out on track enjoying himself. Right, punch it out of here. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, under the Red Bull Bridge. This corner's where Vinales crashed just a few days before in the MotoGP race. It's a long right-hander that's bumpy and difficult. Get her out of there, hard on the gas. Just a couple of corners to go here into a left-hander. We see a lot of overtakes there in the races. Punch it out of here, 2nd, 3rd gear before we're coming into the final corner. Then back to 2nd. Make sure you get on the apex, hit it there, then hard on the gas. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. This bike is super fast, you can hardly keep up. That's one lap of COTA. Wow, this bike's amazing.